Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about beautiful hairstyle ideas for women over 60. Age is just a number and every woman deserves to feel confident and stylish at any age. The right hairstyle can make you look fresh, elegant and comfortable. As we grow older, our hair may become thinner, dry or grey, but with the right haircut and style, your hair can still look amazing. The most important thing is to choose a hairstyle that is easy to manage and suits your face. One very popular hairstyle for women over 60 is the short bob haircut. The bob is simple, stylish and easy to maintain. It frames the face nicely and gives a clean and modern look. Many women love this hairstyle because it does not take much time to style every day. Another great option is the pixie haircut. Pixie cuts are short, light and very comfortable. This hairstyle is perfect for women who want a fresh and youthful look. It also works very well with grey or white hair. Layered hairstyles are also a wonderful choice. Layers add movement and volume to the hair. If your hair feels thin, layers can make it look fuller and more lively. A layered haircut can be short or medium length depending on your profession. Layered hairstyles are also a wonderful choice. Layers add movement and volume to the hair. If your hair feels thin, layers can make it look fuller and more lively. Shoulder length hairstyles are also very elegant for women over 60. This length is not too short and not too long. It is easy to style and can be worn straight, wavy or slightly curled. Many women today proudly show their natural grey hair. Grey hair can look very beautiful and classy. With the right haircut, grey hair looks modern and stylish. Some women also add soft highlights to give their hair more definition. Soft waves are another lovely hairstyle idea. Gentle waves make the hair look fuller and give a soft and feminine look. This style is perfect for special events or everyday beauty. Bangs can also be a good choice for some women. Soft bangs can frame the face and make the hairstyle look fresh and modern. Light bangs can also help soften facial features. When choosing a hairstyle, it is important to think about comfort and easy care. Many women prefer low-maintenance hairstyles that do not need too much styling every day. Taking care of your hair is also very important. Use gentle shampoo, conditioner and keep your hair healthy and moisturized. Healthy hair always looks more beautiful. The most important thing is to remember is confidence. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.